Vatos, thanks again for tuning into yet another video. Let's go ahead and get into it. Of course, we have two new models coming in 2023 from Harley-Davidson. These are more leaks. I believe these are 100% confirmed, of course, along with the nicer S, or the special that we should be seeing later this month. We also have this new X350. So it's basically a street rod. Of course, if you guys remember last year, Harley got rid of the what is it? The 500 and was it the 300? The 300 and the 500, kind of like the Rebel 300 and the Rebel 500. These were called street rods, the ugliest bikes that Harley had, in my opinion. Anyways, these are also liquid cooled. This new X350, I believe that's what they're calling it. Yeah, X350 Harley. These are being made in China. So I believe they're making these so they could have them in the riding academy that you could take a course at Harley, of course. So I mean, overall looks of it, it's basically a Ducati Scrambler clone. That's what it is. Even before Harley decided to team up and I guess put their badging on it. These are available through China. And it's just, I mean, they call it, if you just Google search China Ducati clone, this is what you're going to see. So here we have some images from motorcycle.com. Of course, they're the ones that kind of, looked into this and found this list of confirmed bikes that dealers are pretty much getting. I believe this is like a list, inventory, something like that, and they were able to get their hands on. And we also have another bike on here that it's highlighted. So we have the Nitro Special, I already have that video up, and we have the X350 RA, and that's basically the new street rod, or the replacement of the 500 300. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments. Are you guys excited? I mean, Harley already has multiple different bikes. They also offer e-bikes. Recently they have Livewire. Harley's just expanding their marketplace, their options. I mean, I just don't get why people hate on this. I don't understand why, but I mean, Honda does it, Ducati does it, all the other manufacturers, they have a vast variety of options when it comes to their two-wheel options. The Breakout right here, of course, they're bringing this back. They stopped production of this, I believe 2020. Was it 2020, 2021? It's been 2 years. And the Honda Fury is basically the Breakout. It's their version of the custom bike. It's raked out. I'm not a huge fan of the Breakout. I really don't like it, but it's got a massive giant front wheel. And it's just, it's raked out, like I said, and it's got like a 3-gallon tank. It's really tiny, but overall, style-wise, it's a beautiful bike. So let's go back over here so you guys could probably take a look at it. And I'm sure it is right here. So this is the 2023 Breakout. And so it's coming back with the 117. You can see that right here, displacement 1923. I'm pretty sure that's the 117, because if you look at the Lowrider S, 1923. So that's the cubic inches, of course, or the cc's. And then if you look at the 114s, that's 1868 cc's. So it's gonna have the 117. I don't know, you guys let me know in the comments. You guys like this bike? Like I said, it's got a small tank. It's got forward controls. It's just not my type of bike, but you have the massive rear wheel on it. This is, I believe, the width is similar. I believe it's a little bit bigger than the Fat Boy. I'm not too sure. I gotta look at the numbers. But yes, they're bringing this back. It also has the external shock adjuster, but why would you want that on a cruiser? Because I mean, if you're adjusting it on the fly, you're thinking more along the lines of maybe like a Canyon Carver, kind of like a Fat Bob, or maybe a Sport Glide. I just don't see why you would want an external adjuster on a raked out, style-wise, just like a custom bike for this, especially since you have a smaller tank on this as well. Why would you want this? All right, enough hating on the Breakout. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. 117 Breakout, and what do you guys think about the the little mini street rod. I think they're gonna call it the Street Rod 350, but who knows? Right now it's X350. I was considering this a little bit closer towards like a Honda Grom. Of course, the Honda Grom is a 100cc bike, or is it a 125 in 2023? I believe they upped the displacement. This is 353cc, so yes, Pearl twin engine, 23 horsepower. Man, you can't sell this for $10,000. There's just no way you're gonna label this 10,000. Of course, you have the inverted forks, still disc brakes. Yeah, it's nice. Like I said, liquid cooled, 35 horsepower. Man, this thing better be under $5,000 or even $3,000, and it's made in China. You can't sell that type of bike for that much. Let's see what happens. Harley's expanding their lineup. You guys, let me know in the comments what you guys think. Harley's already they're producing bikes in Thailand. Now they're making them in China. We see Tesla's doing it. Everybody's doing it. So it's just, of course, to increase their profits, and we'll see what happens. All right. You guys stay out there, stay safe. Don't believe everything you read. Life's a risk. Get out there and ride. Later.